In this video, I will show you how to create an amazing painting using negative space technique. You would be like, what? I really guys hope that you already had a chance to watch my flip cup technique. Then most likely you've been one of those people who said, oh my gosh, we're losing so much paint when we open the cup. How we can save it? That's how. Hi guys, I'm Zlata Rabinovic, an artist with over 20 years experience, but the main thing, I'm an expert in fluid art. Today I will show you how we can create an amazing painting and save a lot of great looking paint. You know, I'm a California girl, I'm all about saving energy, people, paint. If you never watch my video and you don't know what is flip cup and how to mix the paint, and you have tons of other questions, please go ahead and check out my other videos on my channel. You will find everything there. If you like it, don't forget, click the like, subscribe to my channel. But for now, I want to give you one more tip before we start. When you're mixing the paint and it's a background paint, make sure it's mixed in a thicker consistency so it can hold all other paints. That's one of the secrets I have. Okay, I hope we're ready. Let's start. So guys, what did I say? Did you really like it? Did you enjoy it? Was it fun to create something and without even wasting the paint? I really like this technique. I think it's amazing and looks gorgeous. If you like that, don't forget, like my video, subscribe to my channel so I can create more beautiful videos just for you. That's it for today. Please put in the comments what else you want me to create and I will try to do it. For now, that's it. See you next time. Bye.